Yesterday we have discussed in the second problem. In the printing mistake, there is mistake is there. So again in the second one, find the height of the triangle whose area is given 56 meters square and the base is given in the 2.8 meters is given. That is the mistake. Area of a triangle. Area of a area of a triangle 56 meters square. There is no need to attendance to IIT class. In the regular period only it is attendance. If the next week session also it is the IIT classes also attendance is there. Today it is no attendance on the today. No need to you can post in the chat box. Okay. Fine. Is the base is given 2.8 meters is given. That is the mistake. That is the 2.8 meters. So find the height. What is the area of a triangle? Area of a triangle equal to half into base into height. Area of a triangle is half into base into height. So area of a triangle is 56, half, base is 28 into h. Then h equal to 56 into 2 by 28. 28 ones are 28 twos are. H equal to 2 to the 4 meters. So height of a triangle is 4 meters. Write fast or otherwise you can take screenshot. Write fast, quick. If you complete, write in the chat box. Yes, it is completed. Clear up? Yes, okay. Next, in the third question, the area of a triangle is 240 centimeters square and one of its legs is 16 centimeters long. Find the length of the other leg. Means the area of a triangle is right angle triangle. Means that is the right triangle is a given. Area of a triangle. Area triangle is a given 240 centimeters square and it's one of the leg is it's one of the leg is it is a given 16 centimeters long. So we can find another one that is in the height. Therefore, area of a triangle is area of a triangle is half into base into height. So that is 240 into 1 by 2 into 16 into height. Then height equal to 240 into 2 by 16. 2 ones are 8, 8 ones are 37. So other one height, other one the length is 30 centimeters. Take screenshot or write. Share the take screenshot or write fast. No need to your attendance, Suresh. క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇచ్చేస్తా. డాక్యుమెంట్స్ లోనే డాక్యుమెంట్స్ మ్యాథ్స్ ప్రమోట్ వచ్చింది పైకి క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 3 వర్క్షీట్ 3. So in the third question, the area of a right triangle is 40 centimeters square and one of its legs is 16 centimeters long. Find the length of the other leg. Means here area is given, 240 centimeters is given. One of its legs is 16 centimeters. So we have to find out the another leg. That is, we are taking the height. So area of a triangle, what is the formula? Half into base into height. Area is how much is given? 240 centimeters square equal to 1/2 into 16 into height. Then height equal to 240 into 2 by 16. 2 ones are 2 8s are 8 ones are 8 30s are. Therefore, the length of the other leg equal 30 centimeters. Next, in the fourth question, a rectangular grassy lawn measuring 38 meters by 25 meters has been surrounded externally by 2.5 meters wide path. Calculate the cost of graveling the path at the rate of rupees is 34 rupees 50 per square meter. So in this question, what is the given? The grassland is the given in the sizes. Length is the 38 meters, breadth is the 25 meters. And also surrounded externally 2.5 meters path of width is there. Then cost of the graveling the path at the rate rupees is the given 34 rupees 50 paisa per square meter. Means total cost we have to find out here graveling the path. So in this question, so this is the given. So this is the lawn. Lawn the size is the given 38 and the 25 meters is the given lawn. In the path of the width surrounded by the lawn is the given 2.5 meters. Means length is increasing the 2.5 and also breadth is increasing 2.5 meters. So action first. Length of the lawn equal length of the lawn equal 38 meters and breadth of the lawn equal 28 meters. And also area of the lawn that is length into breadth 38 into 25. Simplify and write in the chart box 38 into 25. Product of the 38 into 25. Write the answer in the chat box. Are you there or not? Students? 950. Okay, right. What is the unit? 950 meter square or square meter. So next we have added here. What is the here? Length is the 38. So this side is the 2.5 and this side also is the 2.5. So 38 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. So that is 38 plus 5 is the 43. Including the length of the lawn, including path. What is the length of the lawn is 38. Path of the width is 2.5 and 2.5. So that is 38 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. So that is 43 meters. Next, same also. Breadth of the lawn, including path. So that is 25 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 meters. That is 30 meters. Next, area of the lawn. Area of the lawn, including path. What is the new area of this one is 43 meters and 30 meters. So that is length into breadth. 43 into box answer 40 into 30. 43 into 30. What is the answer? 1290 meters square. So it is area of path is area of path. So that is subtraction 1290 minus 950. Subtraction of 1290 minus 950. 1290 minus 950. Subtraction in this place. 340 meters square. And what is the cost? It is a given. Cost is how much is a given? Rupees 34 rupees 50 paisa. It is a given. Rate of traveling. Rupees 34 rupees 50 paisa is a given. Then cost of traveling path. Cost of traveling path equal to 340 into 34 rupees 50 paisa. Multiply 340 into 34 50 paisa. Product of 340 into 34 rupees 50 paisa. Product and what is the amount? $11,730. That is rupees 11,730. Good, Satvik. Muhammad. Very good. So, first. So once again, listen in this question. What's our question, sir? So in the question, fourth question, a rectangular grassy lawn measuring 38 meters by 25 meters has been surrounded externally by 2.5 meters wide path. Calculate the cost of graveling the path at the rate of rupees 34 rupees 50 paisa per meters. So question the board. Okay. So see here, the lawn is the given, length is the 38 meters and the breadth is the 25 meters. The path of the width is the given 2.5 meters. Means the length is increasing the 2.5 plus 2.5. So that is the 5 meters is increasing. So lawn is the given 38. That is the length and the breadth is the 25 meters is the given. So here the 2.5 it is the increases and this side is increasing. And in the 2.5 breadth also it is the increases here in this side. So in the first we have find out the area of the given the land. The given 38 meters, breadth of land is the 25. Area of the land L into B, 8 into 25 meters. Next, length is increasing here in these two sides. That is length is of the including the path 38 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. So that is 43 meters. Next, breadth of the land including the path is 25 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. So that is the 30 meter. Area of the land including the path is 43 into 30. That is the 1290 meter square. Area of the path is 1290 meter square minus 950 meter square. So that is 340 meter square. Rate of graveling is a given, that is the rate is rupees 34 rupees 50 paisa is the given. Therefore, cost of the graveling path is 340 meters square into 34 rupees 50 paisa. So that is rupees 11,730. Write or take screenshot. Either you can write or take screenshot. Next, in the fifth question, find the area of the rhombus. The length of the whose diagonals are 25 centimeters and 16.8 centimeters. Find the area of the rhombus. The length of the whose diagonals are 25 centimeters and 16.8 centimeters. So the diagonals is given, that is D1 is 25 centimeters and the D2 is 16.8 centimeters. Then area of the rhombus, of D1, D2. So of 25 into 16.8. Simplification calculation. 2 1s are 2 8s are 16. And the decimal point 2 4s are 8. So that is 25 into 8.4. Simplify and write the answer in the chat box. 210. Yes, it is the right. 210 centimeters square. Take screenshots or otherwise you can write. Radii of the inner and outer edges of a circular ring track are 56 meters and 70 meters respectively. Find the difference between the lengths of the two edges of the track. So inner radius is given 56 meters and the outer radius is given 70 meters. So yes, small r is given 56 meters and then capital R is given 70 meters. So the difference between the length of the two edges is the difference between the length of the two edges is the difference between length of two edges is 2 pi r minus 2 pi small r. 2 pi capital R minus 2 pi small r. So 2 pi is a common here. Capital R minus small r. So here the pi value you can take in 22 by 7. 2 into 22 by 7. Capital R is 17 minus small r is 56. And do the simplifying. Write in the answer in the chat box. $88. Yes, right. 88 meters. Right. Very good. So 2 into 22 is 44 by 7 into 14. 7 1s are 7 2s are. So that is 88 meter. So understood all of you this question?